one of the most important factor of spreading Krishna consciousness in such an effective way is due to the devotees' commitment to Srila Prabhupada, due to their love for Srila Prabhupada. They loved Srila Prabhupada, and for the sake of Srila Prabhupada, their love for Srila Prabhupada, they were prepared to do anything. Before I met Srila Prabhupada, I joined in Mayapur, and at that time Srila Prabhupada was in America. I actually went, after reading the Nectar of Devotion, I became attracted to Krishna consciousness. And the first place I went to visit was Mayapur. I thought I would just go there for a visit. But I found that the situation there, the environment there was so attractive, and everybody was so inviting, that the next morning I shaved up, went to the Ganga, took a bath, and that was the end of my previous life. So this is how Srila Prabhupada created such a wonderful atmosphere. I often used to ask about Srila Prabhupada to the devotees who met. And I remember once one devotee was telling me, he was an Indian devotee, an elderly businessman who gave up his family and became a full-time devotee in Mayapur. His name was Kamal Narayan Prabhu. So one day I was asking him about Srila Prabhupada, and he was telling about Prabhupada's attraction. He is so attractive that whoever comes in contact with him becomes completely committed to him, becomes completely dedicated to him. Because of that, he is prepared to do anything for Srila Prabhupada. And then he started to tell me, all these young boys and girls, they are so committed to Srila Prabhupada, they have such implicit faith in Srila Prabhupada, that if Prabhupada tells them to jump from a skyscraper, they will do it. Of course, not that Srila Prabhupada would ever ask anyone to do that, but that actually showed the kind of faith these devotees had in Srila Prabhupada. Why? Because they saw, here is a person, they could trust him. They could trust him completely. So much so that with their eyes closed, they can follow his command. Why? Because they saw that Srila Prabhupada did not have any personal interest. Prabhupada's only concern was their interest.